Good evening, everybody. In the previous video, we have completed our discussions up to Article 261 relating to legislative powers of the state and the union. There is not any controversy in that subject except the takeaway that the union made law prevails over the law made by the states, and the union has power to issue directions to the states in tune with the federal structure of India. This word federal has been thoroughly misunderstood in Indian circles. Federal means central. The word federal does not denote relationship between the state and the center. The relationship between states and the center are precisely defined under the Indian Constitution, and these relations are governed by express provisions of the Constitution but not by the federal, which is misunderstood in India. Parliament has every power in times of need to pass laws on the state subjects also. And I told you several times that President of India is the only elected executive in India. That is the reason why India is unitary. Or even if you call it federal, you should understand the word federal denotes central. In terms of Article 1, it is a union of states, not federation of states. Even if you understand it as federation of states, you should not be interpreted in such a way that India gets disintegrated one day or the other. Unbridled powers given to the states would lead to disintegration of the country, and that is not the purpose of Indian Constitution. The President of India, being the only elected executive in India, would form government at the union level under Article 74, 75. And his deputies, governors, who are executive powers of the state, form governments at the state level under Article 163 and 164. So, if there is an NDA president, throughout the country there will be NDA governments. If there is a UPA president at the center, there will be UPA governments throughout the country. Then there would not be any dispute between state and the state, state and the center, and there would not be midterm dissolution of legislatures, and there would not be midterm elections. The country will be peaceful and prosperous for 5 years without political uncertainties. Article 262 is related to water disputes between states. It says that the Parliament may make law resolving the disputes between states as regards sharing of river waters. Alternatively, the Parliament may make law for provision of proper authorities to resolve water disputes and may provide that the Supreme Court or other courts shall not interfere with the functioning of such authorities. Article 263 says that if the President of India is of the opinion that it is necessary to form an interstate council to resolve disputes between the states with regard to any matters, he may constitute such council. The duties of such council shall be to inquire into and resolve disputes between various states. With this, our discussion ends on the legislative relations between state and the center. In the next video, we shall be discussing the financial relationships between the state and the union, commencing from Article 264. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. I request you to please subscribe, share and comment on my videos. I will be glad to reply to your worthy comments. Thank you.